everyone. A massive storm has blown sand particles, covering all the highways. The roads are now completely obscured by sand. It's truly miraculous when you have the chance to witness the meeting between the desert and the sea, like a battle between sand and waves. This is a massive sandstorm that will make you feel like you're in another world, a world of dust. It's everywhere, making it impossible to see more than 5 meters ahead. The scene looks like the sky is collapsing. In contrast to the scorching sun is a city covered in thick white snowflakes. If you go on vacation here, you'll have to wade through 80 centimeters of snow, enough to make your legs feel like they're being exfoliated by ice. The corridor feels like the entrance to another world. If I get the chance in the future, I want to travel here with you, submerged under the thick snow. Thousands of geese are flying across the ground. I don't know why they're gathering here, but it's definitely a show not to be missed. The volcano crater erupts, and the orange glow is as beautiful as a Martian sunset. It's a dangerous, yet captivating sight. It turns out to be a gateway to a lava ocean, like a fire party in broad daylight. Have you heard the eerie sizzle of lava meeting water? Seeing this scene might be scarier than a horror movie. It turns out to be a gateway to a lava ocean, like a fire party in broad daylight. Have you heard the eerie sizzle of lava meeting water? Seeing this scene might be scarier than a horror movie. A super powerful lightning strike nearby frightened everyone. The lightning was so loud it could be heard from miles away. Thankfully, no one was hurt. Oh my God! Lightning bolts as bright as shooting stars almost hit the men sitting nearby. They had to run away immediately. Leaving behind frightening moments, this scene makes me smile. The people who entertain with the wind must be creating even more fun. You really made my day today. A tornado and a rainbow appearing together are like a nature fashion show, with the tornado giving way to the rainbow as if it just won a Miss Universe title from the sky. Oh no! A burning ship suddenly appeared in the ocean of flames. A forest fire has just occurred on the mountaintop, with smoke filling the sky and obscuring the view. Fortunately, no nearby houses were affected by the fire, showing that the Nova Scotia firefighters worked hard like superheroes. They evacuated thousands of people to avoid the danger of the wildfire. The migration of thousands of these cattle is beautiful, isn't it? Can anyone count how many cattle are in this video? Millions of monarch butterflies are migrating from North America to Michoacan, Mexico, as a butterfly festival crosses the golden sky. Their migration, spanning 3,000 to 4,800 kilometers, is not just a long journey, but a complete trip across countries. This butterfly display is so captivating, you can't take your eyes off it. Dense swarms of butterflies create a living picture, making it a perfect reason for us to protect the environment. Yes, my friend is truly a hero for daring to get close to the python just to take a photo, while I dared to stand afar and pray. The Sagrada Familia in Spain is so beautiful and majestic that it's hard to believe. I wish I could visit again and bring my mother to see it. A stunning view of the foothills looks like giant hooves. Thank God for creating such a world. Wonderful, but the volcano is a bit scary. Nature certainly has a way of making us feel small and amazed. The flames and ash from a volcano can create terrible disasters and remind us to treat nature well. The natural world never ceases to amaze. Immortal shrimp, once thought to be a legend, can actually survive temperatures up to 400 degrees. A school of colorful fish swims around a black swan, creating an irresistible and perfect scene. It's a symphony between the two species in the clear lake. Nature demonstrates its power from majestic avalanches like a sky battle to the heat of flames that burn everything in their path. Nature always knows how to make us admire it. A beautiful scene that can quickly turn into a raging river in the blink of an eye. Fortunately, the people in the video escaped before being swept away. What do you think about the video? Please leave your comments below. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications to get the latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.